If you have been asking on how to bypass OPay verification, I don't know exactly what you're trying to bypass. I don't know your motive. I don't know what you're planning, right? But I can tell you for free that if you have a pure mind, I literally don't know the verification process you are trying to bypass, because there is nothing you can bypass on OPay app, or else your account will not be successful. There are some times when I'm trying to upgrade my account from tier 2 to tier 3, so I try to provide some pictures and they have to upgrade their bot. So, and then I think there are some real human behind this that they cannot actually bypass it. They have to take their time. They dedicated some customer support center for the verification process. So there's no way you have to provide a wrong proof and it will be approved. No way. You have to provide the real information for them to approve your account. So if you have been looking for a way to bypass OP verification, I'm not sure it's possible, because I even do face verification when I'm trying to verify my account. So I don't know what you are trying to do. I can tell you that you cannot actually bypass anything inside OP. You have to make sure everything you're doing is in your real name. You have your details with you. You cannot bypass anything. So do the right thing, so now when you put money inside the account, you will not be facing like maybe you are unable to send out the money. If your account is not verified and you put money inside your OPay account, the money will be stuck in and you have no option to withdraw the money, or else you verify your account. So that is how it is. So maybe before you might think OPay is not strict and they are very easy, you can actually use it anyhow you want or anyhow you like, but as I can tell you today, it's not possible. It has changed. They have tried to tighten their security so that people will not be using their platform for any kind of fraud or something like that. So I actually appreciate that about them.